necessary economic boost. On the issues concerning railways in the twin states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, a committee has already been set up of the railways and state government officials. Further action will be taken soon after the receipt of the report of the committee. With the challenges posed by the steadily increasing urban population in metros and in million-plus cities, a holistic approach to urban transport is required. A smooth and seamless intermodal access is essential to improve urban mobility, and therefore passenger-centric focus will be given to urban transport infrastructure creation. We will coordinate with the other transport ministries and urban bodies to develop optimal systems of integration of railways with other transport modes. Mumbai City will get 864 additional state-of-the-art EMUs over a period of 2 years, with completion of the conversion of traction from 1,500 volts DC to 25 kV AC in Mumbai suburban railways. The efficiency of operations would improve besides reducing the cost operations. Madam Speaker, as you are aware, Bangalore, with bustling business activity, attracts large commuters from surrounding rural areas and towns, necessitating better connectivity of Bangalore city with suburban areas and hinterland. A study to explore possibility of enhancing the existing Indian Railway network of Bangalore for meeting the above need will be taken up immediately. In addition to cater the demand of passenger traffic in Bangalore area, Bayapanahalli will be developed as a coaching terminal. Online registration of demand of wagons will be launched in the next 2 months. This will facilitate online payment of wagon registration fee as well as registering demand for wagons. Further, a process for electronic railway receipt will also be initiated during the year. Indian Railways propose to introduce tourism-free wagons with low tire weight for movement of halt. Dedicated. I am not completed. I have not completed. Dedicated freight corridor projects, implementation of dedicated. You hear me? You hear me, I say. I am reading it. I have not completed.
Please.
Dedicated freight corridor project implementation of dedicated freight corridor projects of implementation of eastern and western DFCs will be closely monitored. The World Bank loan agreement for Kanpur Mughal Sarai station of eastern corridor of dedicated freight corridor will be signed by the current year. During 2014-15, award of nearly 1,000 km of civil construction contract is targeted. Ever since assuming the office, I have received innumerable requests for continuance of experimental stoppages from honorable ministers of parliament and various public representatives. I understand that large number of stoppages have been provided on experimental basis over a period of time. While I appreciate the wish of everyone wanting a stoppage close to their place of work or residence, there is a cost to the system for each stoppage. Also, too many stoppages results in slowing down of trains and increase the travel time, particularly long-distance passengers. If this trend continues, most of our express trains will become passenger trains. I would like to inform this House that I have allowed continuation of these experimental stoppages for a further period of 3 months, that is up to 30th September 2014. Then these stoppages will be reviewed solely on the basis of operational feasibility and commercial justification. Demand for new stoppages hereinafter will also be considered on the same criteria. We will try to provide alternative train connectivity to meet the genuine demands of the public. Besides expansion and capacity augmentation projects, assessment of future needs of providing connectivity to hitherto unconnected regions need to be assessed. I have also been receiving requests for projects from the honourable members, state governments and other public representatives. To honour their request, I propose to undertake 18 surveys for new lines and 10 surveys for doubling and tripling and gauge conversion projects in 2014-15. The following is the list of such surveys. Surveys for new lines: Kanjangad, Panatur, Kaniyur, Mughal Sarai, Bahu, via Nawar, Hoshiapur, Andura, Aurangabad Chalisgaon, Singroli Chauralal Lusa, Gabbur Bellari, Shivamogga Sringeri Mangalore, Badavan Jagram via Chandul, Talgupa Siddhapur, Babua Mundeshwari, Jind Hisur, Gadag Harpanalli, Una Harimpur, Ujjain Jalwar, Agar Sanser Soyat, Hisar Narwana, Solapur, Tuljapur. Rail connectivity to Chardham, Kedarnath, Badrinath. Rail connectivity to iron ore mines between Nayagar and Banspani. Bashpani. Doubling of third and fourth lines and gauge conversion. Doubling of Jaipur Kota. Doubling of Channa Port Nagbir. Doubling of Mangalore Ullal Suratkal. Doubling of Revai Mahendragarh. Bhusawal, Bundera, Vadra, third line. Kasara, Igatpuri, fourth line. Karzat, Lonwala, fourth line. Itarsi, Buswal, third line. Gauge conversion of meter gauge line in Ahmedabad up to Mahensa. Gauge conversion of Pilibhit, Shahjahanpur. Surveys for Sagar, Chhatrapur, Khajuraho, Bhopal. Surveys for Sagar, Chhatrapur, Khajuraho, Bhopal and Jabalpur, Udaipur new line have been completed. I will get them examined expeditiously. Survey for Indore, Jabalpur new line will be expedited. I am happy to announce that Mysore Kushalnagar portion of Mysore Kushalnagar Madikeri new line has been completed and the state government has agreed to share the cost of the project. This will provide railway connectivity to an important tourist destination in Kodagu district. I propose to pursue this project for obtaining requisite approvals after completion of the remaining survey. A survey for new line between Tarighat and Ghazipur has been completed. However, the same needs to be examined by extending survey up to Mau so as to connect the line to the railway network further. It will be undertaken expeditiously. New trains. I would like to inform the August House that while I have received innumerable requests from various quarters for running new train services, resource constraints preclude me from meeting many of them. None of the less, to meet the critical demands of unreserved and reserved segments, I have decided to run Janasadaran group of trains and premium group